This video will demonstrate how to set up and use the Master POS app to stay in touch with your location via the mobile app. Here we will show you the actual notifications that the user receives via the Master POS mobile app and how the app interacts with the point of sale system. If you have not previously set up notifications, please review the Master POS notification setup video before proceeding. In order to use this function, you must download the app for your mobile device from Google or iTunes. Search Master POS and download the Master POS app first. Here I locate the app on iTunes and I will download it. Once I open the app, I need to add my account. I click the plus sign and add my account by typing in my account name. Your account name is found by logging in to the company cloud from your computer. Look at the desktop app where you log into the storefront. The account name will be displayed above the actual company name. Type it in exactly as you see it with no spaces. Now type in your username and password that you normally use to log into the back office. The app will prompt me if I want to be alerted when new notifications appear. Since I want to be notified, I will answer yes. The app has all the functionality of the company cloud you use on your point of sale computer, only you are using it via the app instead. Here you will see all the menu selections just like in the company cloud. When an event occurs on the point of sale that you have set up a notification for, it will appear in your app. First, I will perform the open day procedure in the storefront. Here, I count the inventory if requested, and I'm going to enter my starting cash for the day. And when I am done, I will click Open Day. The app now received a notification that the store opened. Viewing the notification, I can see the time, the employee who performed the open day, and information about whether the cash count from last night matched to this morning's cash count. If you choose to receive alerts via text, it would look like this. Now I will show how we can approve or decline a sale right from the app when the employee attempts to sell under the minimum price. At the storefront, I will attempt to sell a battery for $25 when the minimum price is $30. When attempting to check out, the employee sees this screen in order to get authorization. If they have manager permissions, they can type in their username and password and approve the sale. If they are not a manager, they need to type in their username and password and click Ask for Authorization Code. On the app, I get notification that this employee is wanting to sell for under the minimum, and by how much. I can approve the sale by clicking Approve, and the sale will continue. Or you can decline the sale, and a message will display on the storefront point of sale that the manager did not approve the sale. Alternatively, if you receive notifications via text, you must call the employee and give them the auth code that you receive via text message. This is the text message you would see. Additional notifications that you can set up are a sale above a specified amount. Here you see I am going to sell a watch for $17,000. Once the sale is complete, the app will display that there was a sale over the specified amount, which I had set up as $200 in my notification settings. You could also display the receipt if you want. You can receive notifications when an employee clocks in or out or goes on a break. Here are these notifications as seen in the mobile app. This one shows an employee clocking in, and this one shows them starting their break. When the employee does the close day procedure, you can also receive notification and the detail of sales, what was sold, and the cash count. Once they have counted the cash and closed the day, you will receive the close day report via mobile app, and this is what it will look like. you can see the entire day's activity in this report. As you have seen, the notification feature is very useful to monitor your store's activities when you are not able to be there. You also have the ability to track and audit these events as they are always kept in the system. Here you can see them in the company cloud in the dashboard. This concludes the notification and mobile app overview. Customer support is available at 855-578-6767.